Um, Hello everybody, I'm Mohammed Shamim Hussain. I'm a student of Amity International Business School. Currently I'm doing my MBA in International Business and Finance. I'm in the second year. I'll be talking about how information technology has brought in a change in the banking industry. Actually, information technology has brought in a change in a lot of industries, but I'll be putting more emphasis on the banking industry. Technology in the banking industry has brought in new products, new ideas, new markets, and new way of dealing with the customers. Today, what we see is the economy has become economy has become very competitive in the banking industry. As in, the customers, especially the techno-savvy customers, are demanding more and more from the banking industry, more better services. So. If we look back into the history of technology in relation to the banking industry, it was actually implemented. Different software. It actually started in during the 1980s, when different software application packages were used by the banking industry to overcome their tedious task of accounting or any other work related to banking. And it was actually after the globalization which took place in India during the 1990s, when banking industry had a lot of access to technologies from other countries, and they started total automated process, wherein entire process of the bank or the banking industry was automated, and which became more easier for the banks to cater to the needs of the customers. And due to the implementation of technology nowadays, what we see is that it has become very easier to withdraw funds or to transfer funds or deposit funds. It has become very convenient for the customers to have access to the current status of their accounts. And for example, you can talk about the microprocessor chip, which is used in cards like credit cards or debit cards, wherein you can it's a very safe mode of withdrawing cash or whenever you want at any time or any place. And let's talk about an important aspect of banking industry. That is the e-banking. E-banking was actually started in the 1920s in the UK and USA, and during the 1960s it became very prominent and very widely accepted technology. And e-banking was actually implemented during the 1990s in India, wherein it provides different kind of services to the customers, be in relation to the credit cards, demat account, internet banking, mobile banking, telephone banking, or electronic data interchange, that is EDI. So what we see is that e-banking is a very important you can say product, or you can say core banking product for the banking of different banks. Now if you look at the traditional approach towards of the bank that was adopted by the bank, wherein all the customers were accountable to a particular branch, and the interaction was one-to-one level, and additional services were not provided. But the modern banking approach put emphasis on the additional services, providing the customers with different information in relation to the account, on the status of the account, how much money they have, and how much has been withdrawn. So this additional services has been provided in the modern bank approach, is very important and is a critical business success factor for the banking industry. This is all I got to say about how technology played a role in shaping up the banking industry. Thank you.